Guys, it's Reese, welcome back to the channel. So, I did some early and late pig hunting at the same Walmart store today. This is what I got earlier this morning. The only reason why I actually ended up getting a second one of these is because I am doing a series again after this is done. And it's going to be another DTM series. I had only 7 DTM touring cars, so this will now make it 8. However, this is the second one of this one I have. I did leave pretty much all these other Deutschland design set cars behind, so, other people have a chance of those cars because I already have a full set, so I don't need another full set. This was the only car that I really needed a second one of in a way, so that way I now have 8 DTM touring cars for that touring car event that I will be doing in probably a few weeks from today or this weekend. So yeah, that's why I got this car, because now I have 8 DTM touring cars. And then these are what I got the second time at the same store. That El Camino is actually a 2022 new mainline car from Matchbox. I did some more research, and it turns out that when I looked underneath it and researched as well, the copyright says 2021. If any car says that, that normally means they are going to be new 2022 models for Matchbox, because Matchbox does not say new for 2022 on their cars. So, yeah, you have to look underneath the car body and figure out what the, production prototype year was for that car. Now, the bizarre thing is, this Lexus one actually says 2020, which kind of threw me off a bit, but then I realized it's still a new car because I looked it up and it said 2022 Matchbox. So, yeah, there's actually 4 new Matchbox cars in this mix for 2022 B case, or batch B, or mix B, batch B, whatever you want to call it. There's 4 new cars in that series. Here's 3 of them, 1, 2, 3, and that makes 4. So yeah, interesting that Matchbox decides to have 4 new cars in a mix instead of at times there's only like 3. And then in previous mixes, there's possibly 4 or even more than 4 new cars, if you are, talking about the 2021s, that is. There may or may not have been more than 3 new cars in some of those 2021 mixes of Matchbox mainlines. So yeah, the good news is I was able to get these 6 cars. Yeah, so actually the store pretty much had the entire new mix. I could have, bought all of them, but didn't really need to do that, or had to do that, or wanted to do that, just because, there's fantasy cars. There's going to be fantasy cars with Hot Wheels as well, so that's why I decided not to buy all of them. That's why I'm trying to buy, at times, only newer ones, or, ones that, I am, looking for months, and then they're finally in stores after a few months of waiting. So yeah, that's why I leave other cars behind for other collectors. So, yeah, I was gonna do a live stream tonight. That's not gonna happen, unfortunately. However, I'm probably gonna have a live stream on, I want to say Saturday or Sunday this weekend. Or possibly Thursday. Actually, no, Thursday, yeah, not Saturday or Sunday. It's gonna be Thursday for this, Diecast Cars unboxing live. Now, this one I may or may not open right away, just because I've already opened it before in a live. So, yeah. But these 6 new edition Matchbox cars from the Mix B from this year will probably not be open until Thursday's live. Bye. Thanks for watching, and have a great rest of your day.